Hello, my planner cravers. It's your girl Sondie. I am back with another video. Alrighty, guys. So it is currently Monday, and I have to let you guys know that your girl is feeling a little bit better. I'm pretty excited because when I say I was down, like I was down, all the way down. Not all the way 100% yet, but let you know that I am getting better. But also want to let you know that if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Also hit that notification bell so you do not miss any more videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's up, man? What's up? No, I'm just playing. I'm slowly but surely coming back, y'all. I'm slowly but surely coming back. Come on, give me some credit. All right, y'all. So what we doing in this video today? We are doing my weekly check-in, week 3. So let's go ahead and get into this video. And if you guys did not know, I work with my Erin Condren. PC stands for Planner Craven, and this is my very first. I just didn't want to take this out, so you know, this is your girl Sondie Fields. And let's go ahead and let's go to July and see what is happening. Ooh, girl, look at those red daggone. Ooh, I can't even talk right now because I'm looking at all those red X's on the board. Look at those red X's. Woo! I'm excited. The only thing about it is I have I should have a red X here, but I got so much going on, so I didn't put a red X here. Because technically the food for this date, it should be on this date, but you know what? It's okay, y'all. So I will let y'all know. 1, 2, 3. I got 3 little small transactions that I did spend and adding to my shopping. Boo! I know. It's something that I'm trying to work on, but it's not as bad as what I've been doing, y'all. So please give me just a little bit of credit. And you know. So guys, right now we're doing from the 14th to the 20th. So I have my weekly check-in set, and let's see our numbers for last week. So our numbers, last week it is. So our numbers for last week is that we had $135.60 left in groceries, $84.24 for my shopping spending, Etsy $68.05, and unbudgeted kept at $100. So right now I'm really loving the fact that I do not have any unbudgeted right now. Okay? But it's always nice to have because you may never know. You might need to get some money out of your expenses, and you may just need to just suck it up. You know what I mean? So plan for 100, but you always got to plan for it. Plan for the unbudgeted. Sometimes when you plan for some things, sometimes it never happens. Sometimes. But or maybe you do plan for it and it come out to be more than what you planned for. Hopefully not. But guys, let's go ahead and jump into to see how I did last week. I am definitely getting back to myself, if y'all cannot tell. So right now we got a couple of food transactions, couple of shopping transactions. That's pretty much what I have for the week. There was a few shops I supported, and also I'm getting ready for a giveaway. So that's another reason why I got some shopping transactions on the board. But guys, I'm still doing great as far as my no spend. This is the most no spend I've done. Let's just say 2019. Like, no kidding. You know, I'm not really doing the no buy July. I'm doing Momos. Wow. I'm sorry. I got sidetracked. I'm not really doing a no buy July, but I'm doing the 95% no spend. So you know, girls got to keep it tight for the rest of these next 2 weeks left of July, guys. And it's just funny how July is like going so fast. But anyway, guys, let's take a look. Let's find out what's going on. Let's zoom you guys in. All right, y'all. So first things first, we go through fruit because that is the first thing on the category. So let's go ahead and do the food and see what's going on. We got Big Bertha in the building. Big Bertha's right here to assist and let us know how our calculation is going to be. Big Bertha here. So guys, let's go ahead and calculate what I got going on. So right, the first transaction that I spent on Sunday, did a little bit of shopping. So right now we have, oh, you guys can't even see that, can y'all? Look, boom. I'm gonna put it right here right now. Matter of fact, let's scoot y'all up. There we go. All right, y'all. 63.53. I'm sorry, y'all. If I'm really like being over exuberant, just let me know. I'm gonna slow it down, y'all. I think I'm doing way too much. All right, y'all. 63.53 for food plus the following day. I don't think that was a following day. Oh, you know what I did? Okay. I know what happened this day. We went out to eat. Then after that, I needed to go grocery shopping for the house. A few things I needed. So that's what happened. So anyway, 63.53 plus another $47.74. All right, we're looking at $111.27 left for food. We're going to keep on going down the list here. So we got shopping and shopping. We're going to go over here. And then we see that we have $18.50. Oops, that did not look right, y'all. Heck, no, I did not spend that much. Nah, I ain't spend that much. Hold on. Calculation. Let me show y'all something. Let me show you. Hold on. We did messed up. See, that's what happens when I'm a little bit too hyped. I'm just happy because I'm almost feeling myself. You feel me? So, $18.50. All right. So, pretty much that's all I had for food was those 3 days here. Boom, boom, boom. You know, little stuff. Now, what do I consider food? If I go grocery shop, it's food. If I go out to eat, even if I go get a sandwich, that's food. Anything food, I put towards food bill. So we looking at $129.77 for the food. Let's go ahead and put that on the board. So guys, I love to write big so you guys can see that. You know what I mean? Can you guys see that? Boom. All right, y'all. So if you didn't know, this is how I start. And then I just work my way down as I go. So let's see where I'm at. So I spent a total of, can y'all see that? All right, y'all. I spent $129.77 last week on groceries. So we're going to go ahead and put that remaining $135.60. That's where I'm getting that from. Woo, guys. Hold on. 130. Ooh, I done turned off my calculator. See, I'm still not used to this one yet. So 135.60 minus 129, guys. I'm almost there, y'all. We getting a little skimper here. Woo! Do y'all see that? Ooh, girl. I literally got $5 to my name. $5. Let me tell y'all, $5.83 to my name left in the budget. We talking about a $300 budget. In the budget. Right now, I got $5.83 left. That means if I go out to eat one more time, it better be no more than $5.83. No, y'all. We still got these weeks left. So we may go over our grocery bill. We may not. Because actually, when I went grocery shopping last, I did. So, okay, this is what I do. So when I go grocery shop, sometimes I might get a mix of items. If I'm missing little pieces of parts and stuff. Or if I decide to change a meal for the day. But then there's also days where I just go and just get meats. So I had got a bunch of meat, so we might actually be good. We might go over our grocery bill again this month, but I don't know. We'll see. But you know what's crazy? We've been managing. Like I don't know. It's been weird. So little stuff, and then on top of that, I had to do some cleaning, you know, to the cupboard and everything. You know, making sure we got new stuff, throw out the old, little stuff like that. Make sure we still got everything current in our cabinets. So that's what I do mostly. Sometimes you just need meats. As long as you got some good sides, you're good to go. You know what I mean? You got to make it last. So I love and appreciate people who do shopping hauls because it kind of lets you like, you know what, it's nice to know how to stretch a meal sometimes. You know what I mean? Like sometimes I see people with $400, $500, $600 grocery bills and I'm like, holy crap. I didn't even know my grocery bill was about $300 really until I actually started doing this. So I will let you know, guys, when you are doing things like this is your way of paying attention to your spending. Because if you don't pay attention to how much you're spending or what you're spending your money on, you're just going to keep blowing your money and you're going to keep wondering where your money going. Believe me, that was me months ago. Don't be me. Be better. Okay? So all right, y'all. So for the next thing here, we got a little shopping. You know, I did my little shopping. 1, 2, 3 transaction of shopping. We got $10.61 one day. And there go baby boy. He interrupted my movie. and then shopping $13.75. So I did a little bit of $28.25 of spending for shopping. Just a little bit here and there. I'm telling y'all, it's not nowhere near as much as I can go in at. I'm telling y'all. But let's see how I do. So we're gonna write this down here. I think he in the process of sleep right now. So sometimes, you know, kids, they wake up and be like, want to cry, and then they just fall back to sleep. So he must be in that kind of motion. So we ended up with 68. Oh, here I go, turn it off again. $68.05. My apologies, y'all. I just realized that there is a discrepancy in my calculation. There is a discrepancy in the calculations. I cannot believe I did that, y'all. So as y'all could tell, I pulled the 6805 here, and I pulled the 6805 here. No. So we spent $28.25. We're gonna go through this again, y'all. I apologize. I'm like, wow, I cannot believe that I messed that up. You know what? I can believe it because I'm just so hyped. Plus, I was ready to go eat. So we gonna fix this today. Like, right now. Because I know I'm like, hey, I'm down to $30-something. I don't even think I spent that much. So, guys, the rest of the video, you might be a little off. But just let y'all know, remember that this is the, this is the amount, $28.25, that it is. So, my actual remaining is $55.99, okay? Oh, man, I cannot, zoom y'all in. I cannot believe I didn't mess that up. So, guys, as literally, I do watch my videos. So, as I just went back, and when I heard that, I said, oh, that was not right. And you know what? I kind of knew that, but I did not really check. I didn't check. I don't know why I wasn't looking up here, but it's alright, y'all. It's fixed, y'all. Just to let y'all know. So y'all see, it's fixed. But I have $55.99 left to spend. Not saying this, I need to spend it, but that's what I have left. Alright, y'all. Back to the video. Minus the $28.25 here. We looking. Yep, that's about right, y'all. $39.80 left. Now I know I said a no 95% no spend, but it's better than what I did last month. And I really do plan on doing no more shopping until next month. So I did shop for a couple of things, like I said, for my giveaway that's coming up. You know, that do consist of money. You gotta spend some money. So I have a giveaway that's coming up. I will be announcing that. Will be beginning of August. Now, I won't tell you the first or the second week of August because I'm not sure. I'm actually waiting on some items that I've ordered. So it said it'll be here before August or the 3rd or something like that. So once I get that giveaway items, I'm going to let you guys know, but I am going to let you know that is not going to be YouTube based. It's going to be mostly Instagram. So that way you can follow my Instagram, and of course, if you abide by the rules, we shouldn't have any problems. So we'll see how that goes. Because I'm still trying to figure out the best way to do this giveaway, but I have a pretty good idea of how to, so we'll give you those details in the beginning of the month. So as you can see, we already calculated all of my things here. I had a couple of bills come through last week. It is what it is, you know what I mean? That's a part of being an adult. I think I accidentally wrote a pen right there. That's killing me right now. So guys, for Etsy, I have 0. And for the unbudgeted, at 0. So that kind of makes me pretty good. So we're going to leave that at 0. And we just going to bring down the 6805. And then for the unbudgeted, 0. And we're going to bring down this $100. Okay. All right. So that looks pretty good. I'll show y'all the bigger picture there. Yeah, what y'all think? It looks pretty good, not too bad. It's kind of crazy that I'm only $5 to my name and so rounded up. Okay, $6 to my name as far as grocery goes. But you know what? You always need food. You know, that's more of a necessity. But it's just keeping track to make sure we don't just blow our money on food. I mean, we need food, but we make sure that we budget enough for the month because we don't go through food like that. So it doesn't seem like that, but I don't know. It really depends on what you think you blow through food. You know what I mean? However, your terms and definition of that is, but you need food to survive, okay? But not saying that eat fast food every day, go out to eat. We only went out to eat once. We're trying to do our once a month date night where we go out to eat, and it was his birthday, so that's why we took him out to eat. You know what I mean? It's a special occasion. So that's how that happened. And I am really loving how this is looking so nice, guys. And if you did not know, I'm having a road to 1K. So if you see that little icon popping up down here, is why. What I'm doing is I'm going to make sure that I'm going to be building up my emergency fund up to 1K, and also hopefully you guys, you know, meet me there as far as this journey goes and see the process, and also hopefully gain 1,000 subscribers as well. So the road to 1K means 1,000 subscribers and also $1,000 savings fund. So that is what I'm doing as far as my road to 1K. And I will let you guys know that this concludes my video, and it's your girl Sondie, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So I have a bunch of videos out for you guys, you know, some good content, some new content. So alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.